I'm going to show you exactly my super stupid, dumb, simple strategy. How I was able to pass 200K funded evaluation, or evaluation 200K, also 100K, so total 300K with Alpha Capital Group, and I'll be securing these profits, which is over 2.5K on the 200K funded account, which I just passed last week or this week, I'm not sure. I'm gonna show you in this video exactly how I was able to do that, and you can see here that I passed the verification on the 3rd of February, so today is 13. And this is the step 1, and also this is my lifetime payout. This is all from 100K account, so this is not from 200K account. You can see $100, you know, that we have $1,600, $250, then we have 1,000, then we have 400, 300, 400, so on and on and on and on. So I believe with this 200K account, I'm gonna have much more bigger payouts, because all I'm trying to target is 1 to 3% per 2 weeks is my profit target, and I'm just gonna take a payout. You know, if it's $100 on my withdrawal date, so be it. If it's a $2,000 or $10,000, so be it. I'm gonna withdraw it. Anyway, I suggest you to put all these distractions away, lock the room, put away the phone which you're playing constantly, and just listen to me for the next 5 to 10 minutes, how long ever this is gonna be the video. So I'm gonna show you on. By the way, also if you wanna follow my trades, my mindset, etc., this is a free group on Telegram. I'm sharing all my trades, my mindset, everything else. You can see we have a whopping 55 members here on actually this trade I'm currently in. So as you saw, I'm on NAS 100. Let me put it in. Right, so I'm going to show you for this week, so you can see I'm not lying to you. This is all my trades for this week, and the total profit is 5,200. The reason why there's a 5.2K and I only have 2.6K a profit currently floating is because I was in drawdown about 3K, so about 1.5%. Anyway, so to the strategy. I'm gonna show you on NAS 100, which is not the clearest one, but I guess good enough, because you know that's what it is. By the way, I mostly trade, or mostly 99% I trade Forex. Sometimes I trade some gold, which I'm actually might be potentially entering as well. I'm waiting for this price to get to my area of interest. I also sometimes trade silver, which I missed out. You can see I had my prepared notification, but it didn't happen. So anyway, so NASDAQ. So first thing I do, I look at weekly and a daily charts to see where the price actually going. Are we going up or are we going down? Because if you have no idea where the price is going, my friend, you gonna lose, and I was losing myself with that. So first of all, you can see the uptrend. There's a clear uptrend. You can see there's a higher low and higher highs all the way, but we kind of consolidating around this area, right? Now, the weekly is, of course, is bullish. Why? Because some people, by the way, would say that this is bearish already, because you know, because of this, right? Boom, boom, boom. Hey, delete that. Come on. Like this, you know, right? And then we broke below. So now we're thinking that we are bearish, but we are not, because where is the higher low? We have higher low here, higher high. This supposed to be higher low, but it didn't make higher high yet, right? It didn't break above this previous high. So we're just kind of consolidating, and it's still nothing. It's just it's nothing. Basically, it's just a market structure, whatever you want to call it. It's basically the land of no one, of nothing. This is where you don't want to do anything. By the way, guys, I'm giving you all this value for free, so you might as well watch it and you know, mark some notes or something, because this took me 2 years to master this. And even that this is stupid simple, the most of it comes from your brain, which telling you that you know everything, and etc. Anyway, So we are not bearish on a weekly unless we break below this previous high or low, right? So yes, okay, we are bullish on a weekly, but the daily we are obviously bullish, right? You can see it, obviously we had a high here, high low here, and then we broke below this high low, so we come to retest. So then, as I would think I will do is I will market resistance. So I will just draw simple, stupid rectangle box. You can do something like this as well, you know, to make it a little bit. So we had some touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here. We kind of broke below and then touch here, right? So I can make it even like this big a little bit. So I know that the market on weekly is bullish, but I know the market on daily is bearish. So I won't be looking to trade massive trades because I know on a weekly we can just simply come back to this area to here, which probably will happen, and we're gonna bounce and continue up, right? Or we can just break below and continue down. That's not the point at the moment. The daily is clearly bearish, and as you can see what it did here, we broke the support, right? So we broke the support, this one, we broke it below. So what is the most sense, my friend, is to just come back to the retest and we're just gonna sell. You don't need any ICT, you don't need any fucking smart money concept, sweep low, sweep high, Wagyu steak, eye chakra, you know, whatever. By the way, I'm bashing down ICT all the time because there's no professional fucking trader in the world who trades ICT. I'm talking about professional, I'm not talking about internet gurus, my friend, which I'm one of those internet gurus, but anyway. So I would wait, right? So I'll wait for the price on the daily to come to the resistance, and you can see I was waiting to show me something, some sort of rejection or something from the daily resistance. You can see we had a little rejection here, but not very clear. And then I think I was entering in a half an hour or 1 hour. Yeah, I think after I saw this engulfing strong 30 minutes candlestick, you can see this one. You can see this candlestick. I entered the trade and then it's just continued in my favor. And this one was last night before I went to sleep. So I entered this trade. By the way, by all means, I'm not, you know, millionaire guru or anything like that. I'm just a guy who's same as you. I'm 37. I'm trying to learn. I'm still learning trading, and I will be learning for the rest of my life. I know that. And I'm just trying to make a little bit of money, you know, more than I lose. So that's it. That's the strategy. You wait for the daily or weekly support resistance. You wait for a shift of structure on a lower time frames, engulfing candlestick, and then you enter the trade and target the next daily support or resistance. In this case, the daily resistance is all the way down here, which will be this one, support. So that's my target profit, which will be 123.67. Now this is Friday, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be holding this over the weekend. I probably won't on my funded account, which I'm only actually entered. So yeah, I have to close it before the weekend because Alpha Capital doesn't allow me to hold trades over the weekend. And when I close that, I'll be requesting my payout. So you can see 200k funded here in progress currently. You can see my win rate, right? It doesn't fucking matter with win rate. People get so obsessed about win rate. It doesn't matter. The only reason why I have a win rate so bad because I entered a few trades yesterday and I decided to close them because guess what? I'm still a human being and I get freaked out, and I'm not trading for 10 years or 20 years to just close or open trade 100% confidently, right? But I'm confident enough that I can make profits and pass evaluations. So you can see there's like a little trades. Where is it? You can see like Euro NZD, Euro GPP, UNZD again, NAS 100 again, like these little trades, right? Like this, I decided to close them because I checked the trades again and I was like, oh, this doesn't make sense. Why am I entering this trade? So I closed the trades because I want to keep my profits for payout. So anyway, so currently, where we at? Withdrawal date is next week, 18th of February. And we'll see. I'll be withdrawing, I'm guessing, 2.5K. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. If you have any questions about my strategy, you like anything you'd like to know, comment down below, or you can join my free Telegram group channel where I share all my trades in the real time, my mindset, everything, a little bit of joke sometime too. So you can join and follow my trades in real time, or you don't. It's really up to you. Until next time, my friend, stay handsome, stay sharp, and